Hey guys, you are watching Net Tech, and today I am going to tell you how to install parrot operating system. It's okay. So you have to open the Google and then write parrot. When you write parrot, it will come. Okay. So when you write it in parrot, you have to click on. Oh, sorry. So wait. You have to write. You have to write parrot operating system, and you will click on it. It will show you parrot securities. Okay. And it looks like these are the images of the parrot, and we have to go official website of the parrot security. When you will click on the official website of parrot security, and it will show you the parrot operating system. I think the parrot operating system is much better than Kali Linux, but if you are interested in Kali Linux, then you can use it. Otherwise parrot security, it is so comfortable, and they have a lot of tools, more than 350 tools. They have like Kali Linux have 1 or 50. So it is the your official website, and you can scroll down and it will show you, and it looks like this one. And which one you want to download it, explore 16 download it, and it will help books. And the image which you want to download, you can download by yourself. It's okay. So thank you. Also, you like my video, please subscribe our channel and share.